In this lecture, we will examine the principles of professional business communication and email etiquette. Effective workplace communication ensures clarity, minimizes misunderstandings, and fosters positive professional relationships. Writing well-structured emails and using appropriate business communication techniques enhance credibility and efficiency in the workplace. Carnegie, in The Art of Public Speaking, states that the ability to communicate effectively is a key determinant of success. Mastering business communication allows professionals to express ideas clearly and establish productive relationships in the workplace. Objectives of the lecture. In this lecture, you will learn the key principles of professional business communication, best practices for writing clear and effective emails, common email etiquette mistakes and how to avoid them. Principles of professional business communication. Professional communication in a business setting requires clarity, respect, and purpose. Every message should be well-structured and tailored to the recipient. Darlene Price, in Well Said, emphasizes that how you communicate reflects your professionalism and shapes your reputation in the workplace. Effective communication builds credibility and career success. Key elements of business communication. Clarity. Messages should be direct and free from ambiguity. Professional tone. Use respectful language that aligns with the audience. Purpose-driven communication. Messages should have a clear objective. Proper formatting. Structuring messages for readability improves comprehension. Active listening. Engaging with responses and addressing concerns enhances workplace communication. Best practices for writing. Clear and effective emails. Emails are one of the most common forms of business communication. Well-written emails save time and reduce misinterpretation. Use a professional email structure. Darlene Price, in Well Said, suggests that structured emails improve readability and impact. Subject line. Clearly state the purpose of the email. Greeting. Address the recipient appropriately. Dear Mr. Smith, or Hello Lisa. Opening statement. State the purpose of the email immediately. Body. Provide necessary details concisely. Closing. Summarize key points and include a call to action if needed. Sign off. Use a professional closing such as best regards or sincerely. Keep emails concise and purposeful. Avoid unnecessary details. Keep messages to the point. Use bullet points or numbered lists for clarity. Ensure each email has a clear goal before sending. Maintain a professional tone. Use polite and neutral language. Avoid slang, excessive exclamation marks, or informal phrases. Adapt the tone to the recipient. Formal for executives, slightly relaxed for colleagues. Proofread before sending. Check for spelling, grammar, and punctuation errors. Ensure the email conveys the intended message. Confirm attachments are included when referenced. Common email etiquette. Mistakes to avoid. Mistakes in email communication can lead to misunderstandings or appear unprofessional. Using an unclear or misleading subject line. Ensure the subject reflects the content of the email. Avoid vague titles like quick question or need help. Instead, specify the topic. Sending emails without a greeting or closing. Jumping directly into the message without a greeting can appear abrupt. A professional sign-off adds a polite conclusion. Overuse of reply all. Only use reply all when every recipient needs the response. Sending unnecessary emails clutters inboxes and wastes time. Writing emails in an emotional or rushed manner. Avoid responding immediately when upset. Take time to compose a professional reply. If the topic is sensitive, consider discussing it in person or on a call. Forgetting attachments or incorrect formatting. Double-check attachments before hitting send. Use readable fonts and avoid excessive colors or all-caps text. The role of email in workplace communication. Emails serve various functions in business communication. Carnegie, in The Art of Public Speaking, explains that communication is about conveying thoughts with precision and effectiveness. Email helps professionals achieve this through structured, asynchronous communication. Common workplace email types: informational emails, updates and announcements that do not require immediate responses, request emails, seeking approvals, resources, or actions from recipients, follow-up emails, reinforcing prior conversations or clarifying expectations, conflict resolution emails, addressing concerns professionally and maintaining a record of discussions. Understanding these distinctions helps professionals craft appropriate messages and improve overall workplace communication.